What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video in which we're going to be covering the Sweat crypto again, Sweat economy. I do not dare to call it the Sweat coin because it isn't. It's called Sweat economy, but in this video we'll just call it Sweat. Wanted to cover it again today because first of all, I really like the project, but second of all, it was also requested. I know that there's quite a big community of Sweat holders on this channel. Including myself. I also have the app, I use it and stuff, so I wanted to cover it again today because in terms of price, Sweat hasn't been that bullish, which we also didn't necessarily expect. We got some bearish breakouts throughout the last week. Sweat was obviously quite a hyped up token in the beginning. Hyped up tokens usually drop down quite a bit before they see some more upside. And it's a very inflationary token, right? So all those things together, we kind of already expected this, but still, I think it's important to take a look at the price. So that's also one of the main things what we'll be doing. Apart from that, I wanted to check out their Twitter to see if there was some news. I see a burn announcement. 30 million has already been burned. Well, 30 million on top of a 2 billion Sweat circulating supply and a 21 billion total supply is not a lot. Yeah, it's 1.1%. All right, yeah, that's not bad. But yeah, apart from that, you can definitely see. I mean, I think it is the most promising move to earn project out there. There's still a lot of development to be made. So long term, even though it's a very inflationary token, I think this could definitely reach a 1 to 5 billion market cap. Evaluation, and then the price depends on how much circulating supply we have, because the market cap is circulating supply times price. If the circulating supply goes up, the price naturally goes lower. That's just how supply and demand works a lot of the times. But now let's actually take a look at the price, because I know that that's also one of the reasons why you're there, one of the main reasons probably. You can clearly see that we're now kind of floating around in the void. We've never been at these levels. We have found some support, it seems like, at like 2.25 cents. So maybe we should draw a level like this. 2.25 is a very minor psychological support level. What I think is going to happen is just kind of more on the long term. I think we're dropping down towards 2 cents. And that whole level between 2 cents and 1.5 cents. But I do think 2 cents could actually hold us for a little bit longer, that area. And as for now, I mean, it's you can see that we lost some volatility. So most of the times what will happen is just that Sweat will kind of consolidate a little bit, maybe be a little bit bullish. Then what I do expect somewhere in the next week is to have some sort of a spike up to like 2.7 and 2.8 again. But I don't think that will really, or well, okay, 2.7 to 2.6. That's more realistic. I think that's possible, but those never brought us anywhere. Unless we actually get a bullish breakout, it's not going to bring us anywhere. And just as I said, over a little bit more of the long term, so in the next months, I think we'll drop down to 2 cents in the next month, I think, and then 1.5 cents in the next month. So yeah, still very bullish on Sweatcoin. I mean, it's still relatively stable. I mean, obviously it isn't very stable, but as I said, I still think it has a bright future, and with all of the developments coming in the next year, it definitely has some bull run potential too, right? I think we can all agree on that. So yeah, for now, that's my take on Sweat. So if you do have any questions about it, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think is going to happen to Sweat and the price and in the future. But for now, I want to wish you all a great day. I want to wish you all a great weekend in advance. And yeah, take care. Bye.